Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to use Wishlist on Audible. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to use Wishlist on Audible. Maybe because you want to add some of the products like podcast or audiobooks to your wishlist so that when you get free, you could listen to it. Or maybe you're looking for something but you don't want to listen it, you want to listen it when you're traveling or you get free time, so you want to add into which list so you can access it later. Or it could be any other reason for you to add anything into your wish list, or whatever the reason it could be. In this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure you have already installed the Audible app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Audible app to open it. It will just take a while to load its front page, and after that you will be able to see its interface. This is how the app looks. First, we have the logo of the Audible at the top, and we also have a search icon with it on the top. Right now we are in the home section. There you could see multiple podcast, audiobooks and other content. Right now, as we are into home, therefore we could see it. If we go to the library, there you will be easily able to see all the things that you have saved over the time in your app. Other than that, we have this discover section through which you can find different type of things. And other than that, we have the fourth option, which one is profile. Once you tap onto that option, you will land into your profile page. There you will see your personal information, some of that, and some other options. Now, if you want to save any of the products like a podcast, any kind of speech, or any kind of audiobook into a watch list, what you have to do is that you have to find that product. So you have to go to the discover section. There you could find things by searching its name on the search bar, which is on the top, or you could just simply explore on the home page. There you will also find multiple things. First, you will see the title, or you could say the cover of the page, and if you like that, you could add that product into your watch list. So here I have just selected this one, and now we will see how we can add this one into our wish list. So here first we will read its title, and after that, once you scroll that, we will get summary is actually the description. You could also see its genre, and once you find it comfortable one or compatible one to yours, and you find it interesting and you want to save into wish list, then we have this option which says add to wish list. Once you tap onto that option, that product will be added into your wish list, and later on you can access to these products. So if you want to access that, what you have to do is that you have to go to library. Once you tap on it, you will see this interface, and there you can see we have this option wish list. Once you tap on it, there you will see all the things that you have saved in your wish list appear here. You can tap onto that and can enjoy it. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can use wishlist on Audible. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.